चैनल जिसका नाम है कंट्रोल इंटेलिजेंस। गाइस, आपको मैंने पिछले वीडियो में प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस के बारे में डिटेल्ड इन्फॉर्मेशन दी थी। इस वीडियो से हम एक्चुअल पाइथन ट्यूटोरियल शुरू करने वाले हैं, तो जुड़े रहिए मेरे साथ।
What is Python? Python is the best language for first timers. Python is a general purpose, high level interpreted language with easy syntax and dynamic semantics. Guys, do you wonder what is dynamic semantics? Guys, dynamic semantics refers to the idea where if you write a code in Java or C, it would list up to 30 to 40 lines. But if you write a code in Python, it will result only up to 5 to 6 lines. This is called as dynamic semantics. In 1989, Guido van Rossum developed the language Python. It has many big applications, like first, it's very easy language. Second, it's a free source language. Free source or open source refers to as we can learn it free, or we can compile or run our codes free of cost in its interpreter or in its compiler. Guys, it has various applications. Now, speaking about applications, they are numerous. It is well used in machine learning, graphical user interface, software development, web development, AI, artificial intelligence. Guys, we have heard the name artificial intelligence. It is the boom to modern technology, and it has resulted to a great progress in mankind. Now, listing about machine learning. Machine learning is the future of technology. Nowadays, every project or every idea is related or relatable to machine learning. Now, we can say everywhere where the programming or coding is needed, Python is readily available. We can use it everywhere, so it is known as general purpose language. Wait, I'll write it. General purpose language. Hence, we can use it everywhere. So you may ask, Python is used by which companies? Guys, to list, there are many companies. Like, I'll list some big names like Google, Netflix, then we'll say about it's NASA, then Yahoo, Dropbox, etc. Guys, YouTube also uses some of cost Python. Now, Python is not used as a main language. It may be used as a support language or assisting language. Guys, Python supports both object-oriented programming and procedure-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming uses classes, methods and all. Procedure-oriented programming uses functions and etc. Monty Python Flying Circle was a movie which inspired Guido van Rossum to develop a language named Python. It was named Python due to this movie called as Monty Python's Flying Circles. Thus, Python came into picture only for those people who don't know to write the code. Guys, beginners are the best people to learn Python. It has many versions like 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, but in market only 3.0 is running. Is not the case. 2.0 and 3.0 both are equally functionable in the market right now. 2.0 has some features which are not included in 3.0, or 3.0 has some exclusive different function than 2.0, so both are equally used in the market. But generally for other programming languages, newer versions are backward compatible with previous versions, but this was not the case with the Python. Now guys, you may wonder, I have not begun the actual implementation, right? As I am not writing here any codes. Guys, from next video we will begin with installation of IDLE, that is integrated environment for Python writing, code writing, and I'll tell you which software to download and what to run and how to compile and how to execute the codes. Guys, stay tuned with me and we will shortly begin with the Python implementation.
तो गाइस, ये थी पाइथन की डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन। कल से हम एक्चुअल पाइथन इम्प्लीमेंटेशन मतलब प्रोग्रामिंग सीखने वाले हैं। तो हम अगले वीडियो में पाइथन आईडीई डाउनलोडिंग एंड पाइचार्म डाउनलोडिंग करेंगे। गाइस अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर देना। जुड़े रहिए मेरे साथ। स्टे होम स्टे सेफ। थैंक यू।